Yo, what's up everyone? It's Gary V. Let's talk affiliate marketing. I've been there. It's a grind, especially at the beginning. Lead generation was my biggest pain point. I was juggling a million different tools. It was chaos. Email marketing software, landing page builders, CRM systems, you name it, I had it. Sound familiar? It was a mess. I was wasting time, wasting money, and not seeing the results I wanted. Something had to change. That's when I discovered GoHighLevel. This platform changed everything for me. It was a game changer. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform for affiliate marketers. It's a beast. It has everything you need in one place. No more jumping between different tools and platforms. Think about it. Email marketing, landing pages, funnels, CRM, automation, it's all there. GoHighLevel simplifies your entire workflow. It's crazy powerful. Plus, it's super user-friendly. Even if you're not a tech whiz, you can figure it out. Trust me, if I can use it, anyone can. Listen, I'm all about results. GoHighLevel delivered. My conversion rates skyrocketed after I switched. Seriously, they went through the roof. My lead capture rate doubled. My cost per lead plummeted. It was insane. I was saving time and money while crushing my affiliate goals. GoHighLevel helped me streamline my business and scale it faster than I thought possible. It was a no-brainer. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, you need GoHighLevel. Stop wasting time and money with clunky tools. Get on this platform. They even offer a free trial. Try it before you buy it. You won't regret it. This is your chance to level up your affiliate game. GoHighLevel is the real deal. It's time to crush it.